So it is Friday evening now, and I wanted to go ahead and show you that I didn't do that much today. Like I just said in that the last clip, my lower back was really talking to me after all the buckets of organic matter that I moved yesterday, buckets and wheelbarrows full. So actually what I'm about to show you is what Jerry accomplished today. Ta-da! Yeah, he's got about half, see, that's all the way down to the ground. Half of it totally cleaned up, and all of the posts are up. All of the posts, the cedar posts that he had to hold up the hardwood cloth around, and the well in the middle, yep, he's got that taken care of, and he'll have this completely finished within the next couple of days. So I'm relieved. I'm happy. The reason is that I'm eager to start planning Garden 2.0, and it's going to be a little different. I've already tweaked my vision for my new garden. The general principle is the same. How I'm going to do it, I'm going to change some, and I'll talk to you about that later. Not too much later. Maybe probably next week, but I wanted to show you this one thing real quick before we close. I didn't know this was going to happen. I cut down if there was an extra pea, if there were two peas growing together, I cut one down thinking it was just going to die. Look, they're all coming back. All of the extras that I thought I had cut down, they're growing back. What do you know about it? Alright, that's going to wrap up this week's vlog. If you enjoyed this one, thumbs up and share it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you for the next video. In the meantime, take care, be well, and happy gardening.